Hey guys, how's it going? Today, basically, I will show you how to use Gemini 2.0 to automate your data analysis tasks. Whether you're working with sales reports, scientific data, or financial trends, Gemini can help you process, analyze, and visualize data faster with fewer errors. Let's dive in. First of all, start by logging into Gemini 2.0 and upload your dataset. In my case, I'm gonna upload a picture. I'm gonna click the picture at the bottom left and click photo library. And I'm gonna choose this picture, right? And specify what you want Gemini to do with the data, like summarize data, identifying trends or outliers, creating visualizations or like graphs or dashboards, running advanced statistical analysis. For example, I can go ahead and ask Gemini to analyze this data set to find monthly sales trends and highlight the top 5 performing products, right? Or performing employees. Employees, right? And you're gonna see the output, right? You're gonna wait for a few moments. You're gonna see the output, and they're gonna use the workspace, which is an amazing tool used by Google. Right here it says, please provide me with the database. I need the data to be able to analyze it. Help me understand your data better. Also tell me what information that database contain, like right here, products, yeah, and locations, and price. Right, as you can see right here, product coffee, location A 3.50, location B, location C, and you're gonna see right here a product hamburger, t-shirt, movie ticket, and Gemini will automatically generate a line chart showing sales, or basically the answer, automated answer about the sales growth over time, right? And you can review the analysis, like for example, add data showing how holiday sales impacted overall performance, right? This is for example, right? And this is now hypothetical, so they are creating a scenario, right? And as you can see, 2022 non-holiday 1 million, holiday season 1.500, 2023 1 2 and 65, and you're gonna see right here the revenue growth, and you're gonna see the analysis, of course. Right here you're gonna see a chart to show you basically the research about this topic, basically. And you're gonna see the advanced analysis with AI. And once you're satisfied, once the analysis is complete, you can export the result by clicking the 3 dots, and you can click right here and export, and you can export it to as a doc, right? And basically you're gonna be able to analyze it. Another example scenario, automating marketing campaign analysis. Let's say you're analyzing a campaign performance. So for example, analyze is this campaign, right, data, and tell me which platform, right, had the best ROI return on investment, in which audience segment responded most. This is a scenario, of course. You're gonna attach your photo or take a photo of the data set or choose a file to add it to your Gemini and just go ahead and hit enter. They're gonna just make the analysis, right? And you're gonna see Facebook, for example, Instagram, Google Ads, email marketing, and TikTok. So this is a different, basically a different scenario, but you could do that as well to your campaigns, right? And for example, Gemini output is, you're gonna see right here the analysis ROI for each platform, right? Instagram 80,000, Google Ads 120, and you're gonna see the audience segment responses. Segment A, Facebook high. Segment B, Facebook medium, and you're gonna see Instagram high, medium, or Google Ads medium. And you're gonna see segment C low, low, and medium, and you're gonna see the personal takeaways, right? And this analysis is based on hypothetical, basically, right? So you can download your own data set or your own analysis or your own chart, right? And you can basically let Gemini do its thing. So, and that's how you can automate data analysis with Gemini 2.0. By letting the AI handle repetitive and complex tasks, you will save time and focus on making strategic decisions. And try it out and let me know in the comments how it works for your projects. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.